This UV coating machine is equipped with UV curing and IR drying device. With automatic feeder and the stacker. Digital frequency converter speed control. And independent conveyor driven. Larger diameter coating rollers makes the coating effect smoother, brighter. Full covered splash guards to protect from splashing. You use the vacuum airbed for maximum hold down the paper sheet on conveying. UV magnetic leakage transformer with parallel capacitor design can better endure the voltage fluctuating impact. Easy access UV lamp chamber and replacement. High velocity blower fan for cooling and exhaust. Safety locker on all machine doors and covers. Full coverage protection against UV radiation around the UV lamp chamber. Lower temperature control on the UV lamp chamber surface. Emergency stop switches at arm's length throughout the machine. Interlocks design prevents against misoperation.